Friends, I am Vijay Pratap Singh, your subject teacher. Came here today. I will tell you about the delegation of authority. Dear students, first we have to think about the delegation. What is the meaning of delegation and what is the importance of delegation? We know each and every organization there is a delegation of authorities are given. Behalf of that, we are following it and we are doing our each and every activities with the help of delegation. Delegation is a very important and admiring process in our activities. In our organization, this is the very important and interesting process. Behalf of that, we are getting our jobs. So once again, we have to come on the topic, a process of entrusting responsibility and authority. Entrusting responsibility and authority. A process of entrusting responsibility and authority to the subordinates and creating accountability on those employees who are entrusted responsibility and authority. These are the important part of our delegation. So, who is the interested employee in our company? They have to need more and more responsibility and authority. You know very well, when you are interested and your delegation is very good, then you will get a lot of authority. Behalf of that, you will get a lot of chances. The company's owner will provide you a lot of chance to do your work and show your talent. But delegation is a very important part of that. Behalf of that, they are providing you a lot of resources and authorities. Once again, listen, a process of entrusting responsibility and authority to the subordinates and creating accountability. Behalf of that, they are creating accountability in your side. Behalf of that, you are getting a lot of responsibility. When creating accountability is coming inside in our mind, then we are getting progress. Behalf of we are getting a lot of chances. After that, those employees are very important part of these activities. First one, importance of delegation. Importance of delegation. First one is given here, effective management. Second one is given, employees development, and third one is motivational employees, and fourth, faculties organizational growth, and next one is given in front of you, management, and next one is the better coordination. So, importance of delegation, listen you all, effective management is a very important part of our delegation. Effective management we are getting with the help of delegation authority. When someone is working on you with the help of you, you will get a lot of responsibility and effective management. That's why when your effective management is working in front of you, then you will get and you will achieve your success 100%. That's why effective management is a very important part of our importance of delegation. Next one is employee development. With the help of that, we will develop our employment. With the help of our delegation, we will develop our employees. If employees will develop, with the help of that, our organization will also develop. So you know very well, when companies are launching anything, they are giving training to their employees. That's why if employees will develop, then the company will also develop. If employees are hard worker, employees are good, employees are superior, then the company will also get good chances. Company will also develop, your organization will also develop, and your delegation will also improve. Next one, motivation of employees. Motivation of employees are very important part of our organization. We have to motivate our employees per day. With the help of motivation, employees can able to do each and every hard work. You know, hard work means it's hard. If I will think that work is hard, I can't able to do. But if motivation is there with me, then I can do anything. That's why motivation is a very important part of our employees. You have to give motivation. Each and every time you have to motivate. Don't say you are not good, you can't able to do this much work. You have to give him good suggestion. Motivation should be there. Behalf of that, he can do each and every work of your company, and he can do each and every activities with the help of motivation. So motivation is a very important part of our delegation. That's why we have written here in front of you. If all employees are motivated, then they can do each and every work, and companies can get its success. Next one, organizational goal. Fluctuates organizational goal. When our delegation facility is better than others, on that time our organizational growth will be sure. Company will grow day to day. You will get 100% achievement, and your companies are providing each and every activities to you. If employees are good, faculties are good, facilities are good, then organizational growth will improve, and organization will improve day to day, and growth will be sure. That's why you know that in market few companies are growing day to day. A lot of companies name we know that Tata, Reliance, a lot of companies, Birla, they are growing day to day because organizational growth is there. Behalf of that they are working. They have their delegation. Okay. Next one is the management. Management is the very important part of our organization and organizing. When our delegation is working according to management, and management is according to our delegation, then each and every work will be easier, and we can able to achieve each and every success. That's why delegation is the very important part of our management. Next is that better coordination. Better coordination is also important part of our delegation. Delegation is providing us coordination. If better coordination we are doing, then we have to get 100%. We can able to achieve our goal and success. Company will go in the #1 position behalf of your delegation and better coordination. That's why we are selecting good coordinator in our companies and in our organization. With the help of that, they are organizing their plans in our company, in organization, and companies are getting #1 position when our better coordination is working. So once again, come on the second one, reduce the work of manager. If our delegation is the good, delegation process is good, on that time it will reduce the works of manager. Means when we are in the good coordination, good delegation, then we will do less work, but we will get a lot of result. Means good result, doing less, getting more. Behalf of that. Next one is the relationship. According to our delegation, our relationship between each and every activity is should be in the proper way. we will get our activities and result with the help of relationship and the importance of delegation. After that, once again you will listen delegation of authority, then a process of interesting responsibility and authority to the subordinates and create accountability on those employees who are interested, responsibility and authority. These are the things they are getting behalf of that. We can say next one is the importance of delegation. And first one is the given here, effective management. Next, employment development. We can say employees development. Next, motivation of employees. Next, organizational growth. After that, management and better coordination. Reduce the work of manager, and last one is the relationship. So these are the importance of delegation. So once again you have to come on the next topic. There are three elements of delegation. In front of you I have written three types of delegation of elements. These are three elements of delegation. First one is the responsibility, second one is the authority, and third one is the accountability. According to that, these are the elements of our delegation. When we are getting responsibility, we are doing our work in proper way, in the good way, then company's organization process will be better and we will get next chance also. That's why responsibilities is a very important part of that. If you are a responsible person, you will get a lot of responsibility. Second one, authority. When you have got authority, you can able to do each and every work in the proper way. And authority, when you have got, you have to use it also in the proper way. Don't misuse it, because authority you had got for business purpose and to improve the business, not for using for yourself. That's why authority is also very important part of our delegation. Next one, accountability. According to your quality, qualification, mental level, behavior, you will get chance. According to your accountability, you will get chance from the business organization, and you have to show yourself. If you had show yourself in a better way and proper way, then you will get next time once again chance and promotion also. That's why we need each and every activity in the proper way. Once again listen, there are three elements of delegation. First one is a responsibility, second authority, and third one is a accountability. According to that, in front of you I have written three topics. You have to revise, make a note. It is a very important part for you. Make a note and revise